Kansas City and then eastern Kentucky, and then it dropped down south towards Dallas and then has marched east towards Mississippi, as Chris was just talking about. Here at home, this is our live view from Keeneland. You can see the sky is starting to get brighter, and we are in for a very warm and muggy day again today, but we're going to throw some showers and storms into the mix as well. Checking in on our neighbors way out in the eastern Kentucky, Letcher County. All is quiet out there as well, and the Max Track shows as soon as you head north and west, there are some active showers and storms on the move. Have been overnight. This is where the main severe threat is going to be. They got hit across the upper Midwest yesterday. Chicago down through northern Illinois, they've got an enhanced risk. Damaging wind, possibly some isolated tornadoes up in that direction. We have this marginal risk for severe storms. A few of the storms get going later on this evening could have some stronger wind gusts, especially across the river. You can see them getting going by mid to late afternoon. This is mid-afternoon. Some stronger cells northwest of Louisville. And then eventually they'll start to fill in here. And as they drop in this evening, I don't anticipate severe storms, but we could have some stronger wind gusts and definitely some heavy rain. And it's likely going to come in multiple waves because here comes the front. So we'll have another round of showers and storms developing overnight into tomorrow morning. That's around 4 a.m. And then through the morning commute, we could have more showers and storms hanging around. So the potential is there for some soggy weather, some active weather. And then eventually this front drops south. And the last of the showers and storms diminish over southeastern Kentucky tomorrow evening. So we don't shake this front until tomorrow night. But once we do, the rest of the week looks spectacular. This is interesting because I've been showing this to you, and every day it seems like it's just not going down at all. It's our percentage of normal rainfall over the past 30 days, but we're far enough away from our torrential rain event now that we're seeing these numbers coming down. There are actually some areas that are starting to run a little bit dry. So when we pick up our rain tonight, there are some areas that could turn that around because we do have the potential after multiple waves come through to pick up anywhere between 1 to 2 inches of rain on the high end. Some isolated higher totals there. So we will have to watch for that. Some localized heavy rain and possibly even some localized flooding concerns. I think that it'll move through enough and it's been dry enough lately that it shouldn't be a big deal for us, but it's something that we'll watch. We're in the 70s. That's the dew point. That's an indication of the mugginess. Upper 60s to low 70s. That's some steamy air. But guess what else is coming in on top of the showers and storms? That's the leading edge. That's the cold front coming in of drier air that will follow the front, and we'll have dew points in the 50s by later this week, which means very comfortable stuff. And our above average warmth, those 90s we saw yesterday, and we'll see a high of around 90 today. Well, that goes by the wayside. And it looks like we could see some warmth building as we get into around Labor Day. So we'll have a dip midweek and into the early part of the weekend, and then start to see temperatures rising again closer to Labor Day. So breaking it down in the short run for today, hour by hour, you can see, especially from noon on, get ready for that chance for scattered showers and storms. Not everyone will see them at first, but eventually the waves that fill in overnight and into Tuesday morning will get to everyone. There you can see that higher rain chance around the morning commute. And then throughout the day, the chance will be dropping, going in reverse as that front slides southeast and out of here. There's that beautiful run today, as I was talking about, Wednesday through Saturday, spectacular. The heat also starting to rise. We'll bottom out in the low 80s and make it back into the upper 80s near 90, potentially over the weekend before some Labor Day shower and storm chances try to kick in.